Lie on your bench with the easy barbell over your chest, palms facing away from you, and hands positioned shoulder width apart. Find a grip that's nice and comfy on your wrists. Keep your elbows in place as you inhale and bring the barbell close to your forehead. Exhale and return it to its original position, keeping your core engaged and your neck relaxed. Repeat with good form through programmed reps. The Easy Bar Skull Crusher is not easy. However, we have a lot more hand placement options than we do with the straight bar. So I've got an easy bar and I've got a bench. Let's get into it. The Easy Bar Skull Crusher is an amazing exercise to target those triceps. Notice how when she flexes, you can see the definition in the back of her arm. She's using her triceps well. She keeps her elbows in, she keeps the bar nice and soft, she doesn't let it pound against her forehead, which is why it's called the Skull Crusher, and she's keeping her core engaged with great form through the whole exercise. Nice job, Katie.